If you're looking to upgrade your current woodworking tools, the best router table is a must-have. Routers are very versatile pieces of equipment that can help you create unique shapes and curves in wood. Hello friends, are you looking for the best router table? Then you are welcome our RS Store channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best router tables that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Bosch Benchtop Router Table. The Bosch RA1181 is a benchtop router whose working space is quite large so that you can handle almost all projects. It also saves more room space and money than the freestanding models. Quality is another plus. Our first impression is the generous tabletop. Its dimensions are 27 inches long and 18 inches wide, without considering the height of legs, allowing it to work comfortably with wide wood planks and even wood sheets. When closely looking, we even love this router table more, figuring out its machined aluminum surface. You can expect the top to be durable with little resistance to your wood pieces. Other parts are also quality, such as the stiff molded table base, laminated MDF fence, and solid plastic adjustment knobs. It is also worth mentioning that the table has a high-quality construction and features thoughtful parts. For example, there are adjustable faceplates to customize the cut as you wish. Or, there is pre-drilled to fit almost all router models in the market. You can find the adjustable feather boards, clear guards, sacrificial fencing face, dust collection port, keyed lock, etc. as well. Its full accessories are a blessing for versatility yet a curse for installation. You will find it hard to understand at first. Moreover, adjusting the fence or leveling the baseplate can be a challenging task. Pros: not expensive for the quality build. Spacious benchtop to cut more woods. Adjustable fence and faceplates for extra precision. Number 2. Kreg Precision Router Table. At a glance, the Kreg PRS1045 is far easier to install than the Bosch Benchtop Router Table RA1181. This router table set includes a tabletop, router table, and sturdy steel legs with lockable casters. All are stable and durable. The tabletop is made of 1-inch thick MDF rather than aluminum as the Bosch RA1181. It also has high-pressure laminated skin, though. Together, the top is durable and easily slides when you cut the wood. The sizes of the tabletop are 24 inches wide and 32 inches long, the largest on our list. A larger top means more space to entail massive pieces for large projects. In addition, you can adjust the height of stands from 31 to 39 inches. Talking of the durable performance, you cannot ignore the heavy gauge steel. Once you adjust the desired size and lock the casters, the table will support its stance and stability under such a high amount of weight. We also appreciate other safety features of this Kreg machine. The independent fence is an instance. It features a T-square-like design to maintain the parallelism between the miter slot and fence for great measurements. There are also 2 feather boards to prevent your careless fingers from slipping them into the tool. Thanks to those boards, pieces can stay straight for a very long time. So far, so good, but the high price prevents the router table to the public. Many your woodworking projects cannot afford it. Number 3. Skil RAS900 Router Table. When you order Skil's best router table, you get accessory storage containers that help you keep everything neat and organized as you work, and you get 2 containers in each order. There is a quick clamp system with this product that makes setup fast and easy, and you get dual featherboards to help guide your work along to give you more accurate routing capabilities each time you use it. There is also a slightly taller fence with adjustable MDF laminate faces, and this can help ensure you get a smooth work surface for your projects from the start to the finish. The bit height gauge on this best router table helps to simplify the setup process while improving your overall cut accuracy. There is a guard with a starter pin that helps to support your piece of wood when you want to route curved edges to ensure you get even results. There is no leveling required with this product, and you get router mounting with easy bit changes. The efficient folding design with this router table means that it comes all put together and ready to go out of the box, and you'll need minimal setup. The legs fold down to make storage quick and easy, and this makes it great for an avid digger with a small workshop. Pros: dual featherboards, taller fence, adjustable MDF laminate faces, bit height gauge. Number 4. Bosch Cabinet Style Router Table. The Bosch RA1171 shares many features with its sibling, the Bosch RA1181, but having a smaller size and some differences in building quality. Although it is 5 pounds heavier than the RA1181, the RA1171's tabletop is smaller. The dimensions are 25.5 inches long and 15.88 inches wide. And the maximum fence opening is 25 1/8 inches handle tall stock. The machine is convenient for diggers to deal with small tasks in a spare room. You will not have an all-metal construction like the RA1181 because the top is made of laminated MDF to lower the overall cost. It still rivals the aluminum in longevity and allows cutting woodwork accurately. Most noticeably, the RA1171 has a cabinet style that benefits storage and stability. The cabinet is quite large, so you can put a lot of stuff inside to save more working space in your room. There are also 2 dust ports to collect dust more effectively. Ders usually work at home, so these features are really the icing on the cake to save space and improve the air quality for the whole family. The mounting plates of the Bosch RA1171 are a downgrade, though. Although they are still pre-drilled aluminum plates, woodworkers find that their assembly and setting are more challenging than the RA1181. Pros: a more compact design to save working space. Convenient cabinet for additional storage. Number 5. Goplus Electric Aluminum Router Table. Goplus offers the best router table for large projects because the table itself has extra large dimensions, but there are also extension tables located on both ends to give you more working space. Each extension table on this product comes with a big 8-inch by 18-inch size, and there is an easy slide surface that helps you move your projects along smoothly from start to finish. The fence has a transparent guard inserted without a binding to keep the wood chips and debris from flying off your piece of wood as you use it, and this can help to enhance your safety features when you use it. You can use routers up to 6 inches in diameter with this best router table from any brand, and it also works with router bits and base plates that fit this measurement to make it a versatile choice. There is a fence on this product that gives any piece of wood you work with additional support around the bit, and there is a jointing fence that will make a vertical jointer. The precise miter gauge helps you make straight cuts, and you can also use it to measure angles. The aluminum alloy frame with steel is very durable and rugged, and it resists rust and corrosion while keeping it relatively lightweight and easy to move. Pros: detailed instruction manual. Grooved surface keeps dust away. Extra large dimensions easy slide surface. I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like, share and comment on the video. Please enable your notifications bell icon so that you don't miss the next videos. You can check the price or purchase link in the description below.